Hi traders, this is Sarjun. Welcome to Global Wealth Education Forex Academy weekly Forex forecast. I believe from our previous weekly Forex forecast, you could have gained some good value, knowledge, and caught good number of pips on our expected directions, move, and targets. To verify, please check our previous weekly Forex forecast videos to understand how we trade. To become profitable and a successful trader, you need the right Forex education, tools, and strategies. We made easy to learn Forex for anyone to learn and earn. Okay, let's jump on to DXY. We have been closely monitoring DXY dollar index past few weeks, and we have reached our targets as per our analysis. To verify, please check our previous forecast video. Now the dollar index moving higher. I'm anticipating price to run higher, then run towards our point of interest, as well as one here down there as well. Then heading back to the upside towards our target. And also we have targets upside as well. But this is the one scenario. The other scenario is price could run directly higher, then could run lower to run up, right? These are the two scenario I can look for. In the meantime, we have a target downside as well. There's a possibility price to run lower as well. So it won't happen immediately. Let's see what market is going to give us. Directions and structure change time to time. Based on that, we play out our setups. Anyone can give our directions, but here we are giving targets with the directions, right? Here is the main thing. This is purely based on price action and smart money concept. Spotting directions is not that much difficult, but targets, where is the price move towards, where we could see some reversal, where we could see some reactions. To understand these directions and spot the targets, you need a skill set. Let's move on to Euro USD. I hope you guys remember from our previous focus video, we mentioned that we were targeting 1.2 price level. As we expected, as we figured out, we reached a point, we had a massive sellout from this point of interest, right? Let's see how many pips. Almost 242 pips towards downside, right? So what next? Guys, don't worry about these setups. This is for our, future references. This is not a straight setup, keeping for reference. So if we find any potential sell or buy setups, that will be posted on our members group. For now, what is next? I'm anticipating price to run lower, then towards this imbalance area to create lower high, then we could expect to move lower, right? Towards our targets that we set on the bottom, right? Here and here, right? We have one here, this area, and one here. This is the one possible, potential move that I'm anticipating on this week. And the other way, we could anticipate price to run higher straight away, right? Towards our point of interest, then could run lower towards our targets, right? So this is a move I'm anticipating on Euro USD. Let's see how dollar index move. Based on that, we could play out sell or buy setups on Euro USD. Let's move on to GBP USD. Okay, GBP USD. Even GBP USD also, guys, we made good number of pips. To verify, please do check our previous video. As we anticipated, we reached the level on the top, and from here, we had a nice move, right? About 676 pips. I would say that nearly 700 pips move, right, from the top to bottom. So we had a nice few setups that which was shared on our members group. Now I'm anticipating price to run higher toward this area, then up to here. These are the two levels I'm keeping an eye on to take a sell setup towards downside, right? This area. This is a high probable move I'm anticipating on GBP/USD now. Suppose if GBP/USD break this level, we have to keep eye on what the price is going to do. Maybe we'll have a potential to move higher. We don't know yet, but this is the crucial level price to break. Let's see what GBP/USD going to give us. Let's move on to USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD. USD CAD also we have been closely monitoring for last few weeks, and we have been catching good number of pips as well. To verify, please do check our previous forecast video. And now we have shared one trade alerts on last Friday, which is not triggered yet. I'm anticipating price to run lower, then towards to run higher, this area. This is the move I'm anticipating on USD CAD. In the long run, I am anticipating the USD CAD to move higher, gain good number of pips. I only look for buy setups on USD CAD. Let's move on to AUD USD. AUD USD still on bullish move. This trade setup we shared on last Friday on our members group. So we nearly caught $44 pips, right? Still on profit. If you guys in this trade, please move your stop loss to entry. So what's next? I'm anticipating price to run this week. I'm anticipating price to run lower. Then one more push to the upside. If the price make lower high, then potentially we could anticipate some potential sell setup on AU. Suppose if this level is break, I wouldn't anticipate any sell setup. AUD USD need a correction, guys, because been moving, very bullish, right? So AUD USD, if the levels break, then we could anticipate nice targets towards downsides. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's move to EUR GBP. On EUR GBP, I'm anticipating only sell setup. We entered last week one trade. Still, we are in profit. If you guys in, please move the stop to the entry. I'm anticipating price to run lower. Further towards our targets here, right? Suppose if the price break this high, then we could expect one more push to the upside towards this level. Then potentially we could anticipate some selling opportunity from this area based on price action. So we could enter like this, we could anticipate some move towards downside to here. It's potentially bigger opportunity. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, please thumbs up, subscribe, and share with others to benefit as well. Wish you all for the fantastic trading week.